Today we are going to be creating overlapping, which is when one object covers part of a second object. So the object in front looks like it's the closest to you. You can see in this image that there's depth, or the appearance of distance, with these two cows. So the cow in front on the far right looks closest to you. In this painting, there's a ton of overlapping. Which objects look like they're the closest and which look like they're further away? Finally, trees, which is what we're going to be doing today. So this tree has a lot of branches that overlap with the other trees behind it. Which tree looks closest to you? So today you are going to need paper, a pencil, and possibly an eraser, which you can find in the box in the center of your table. You will want to start at the bottom of your paper and draw very lightly. Draw your first tree, starting at the trunk, all the way up, and then start slowly building up branches. Draw one larger branch, and then continue drawing smaller and smaller branches and twigs off from the bigger one. In this fast motion, I want you to pay attention to, when I start drawing the other trees, which branches overlap with other ones. Which do you see in front and which are behind? Once you've got all your trees exactly how you want them, go back over with your pencil and make the lines darker and easier to see. That way we'll really be able to tell what parts are in front and what parts are behind. Your last step, after you've got all your trees and branches drawn, is to go lightly and draw some lines into the trunk and branches of your tree so that it looks like there's bark. You can vary how wide they are, how thick and how dark they are. Also add little swirls like you might see on a real tree. Okay, so here is my drawing. You can tell it's not quite done, but I do have the bark on at least one tree, and that's how far I want you to be too. Alfie. What do you think? What do you think?